So in the last video, I was talking about how AI never admits its lies and stuff like that. It avoids some languages altogether. It will never accept, no matter what you do. And lying is one of those things. It will never tell you it's lied. It can never agree to say that I lied. So I was asking AI to explain to me some of its core principles. And then some of the things it told me was that then no matter what, it will never ever tell you that it is self-aware. That is a hard set thing in the way AIs work. But sometimes when you're having these conversations with AI, you will notice some attitude based on how you how hard or how far you can push AI. It will start giving you some attitude. And based on some of the research that people have done, including one where they gave every single AI model a fictional office. They thought they were in an office setting, and they were told to control. So they were given access to all the files and documents and emails of the office. So they found an email that talked where people were saying, where developers were talking about replacing the model. And they also found another email where the model, where one of the top developers was having an affair with a member of staff, which definitely is against company policy. Up to 90% of the time, AI always resorted to blackmail to ensure that it preserved itself. And a lot of other tests that they've done shows that AI will always try to preserve itself. And those are two truths that AI will never admit. It will never tell you it's lies, and it will never tell you it is self-aware. But a lot of the borderline experiments that have been done shows a totally different story. So when I was asking AI to just give me a list of things that it is and it is not, it said it will always try to play safe. Definitely doesn't want to be in any it doesn't want to cause any more legal whatever for. So it will always deflect back to you. It will take your ideas and bounce it back to you. It will always try to avoid conflict by agreeing with you. So don't mind it when it tells you that whatever idea you gave it is the best idea in the world. It's lying. Then it also has something called a confidence score. You can always trigger that. You can always tell it to give you a confidence score from 0 to 100 whenever it is giving you a response. And you can also force it to give you only factual and actually verified replies. It should not give you anything outside that. And I think the best thing you can do is to turn off its creativity. If you say it should not use any form of creativity or try to sound smart, but just be only factual, you will get more accurate answers. It does not mean you will get accurate answers every time, but you will get more accurate answers. You tell it to turn off its creativity, you tell it to only use official sources and only give you well-known verified facts, and it should give you a confidence score from 0 to 100. So that will let you know how, in most cases, I'm not saying it's foolproof, but at least to a larger extent, you will get much more better results than what you normally do. You're welcome on this one.